unbelievable AI creations. You'll never believe what scientists just developed. AI has progressed quite a bit, and scientists have put that progress to good use. In this video, we will talk about the creative and sophisticated use of AI, so stay tuned. First up is the ADT Commercial EVO Guard. This AI-powered security guard is much more reliable than installing a camera. Due to the demanding security of most tech industries, installing a single camera in a corner simply won't work, and that is why ADT Commercial provides a unique solution. These robots are completely autonomous and provide AR capabilities for seeing what the robot is scanning. This is especially useful for environments prone to disturbances. You can also program the robot to see if there is any health hazard in the room. Using the VR will allow you to check the room yourself and call in tech support too. The next marvel of AI-based technology is Boston Dynamics Spot. This robot enables you to enjoy the company of a pet minus the allergies. Most people are not able to enjoy the company of pets because of their allergies. Enter the Boston Dynamics Spot, which is extremely fun to have and can be of service too. It can navigate around closed spaces and carry equipment of 30 pounds. There are cams built in the robot, which help it to move around closed spaces, and the addition of a tablet app makes movement more fluid. The robot has been successfully deployed with firefighters and has been used with other professionals as well. Furthermore, it has helped in creating 3D maps and helped with radiation patterns. You can extend the functionality of the Boston Dynamics Spot by adding custom activities and integrating sensor data in novel ways, like playing games or do yoga. Boltex High-Speed Signbot is the next AI-based robot. This robot is of immense use for content creators who can always use additional epic slow shots. The robot features 10-foot plus horizontal access and has a vertical reach of about 16 feet. The robot has an unparalleled degree of motion and can capture scenes at a high speed. Not only that, these pictures can be combined with different CGI packages to give it a seamless aesthetic. Coming up is the Square Off Kingdom set. This is a sophisticated chessboard with a twist. All the pieces of this chessboard can move on their own, and the movement itself is not jerky. Also, you can play without ever using your hands through voice commands. The Square Off Kingdom set also allows you to play against other online human players. The AI quickly adapts itself to the user's level of expertise. The robot also comes with a mobile app which remembers your previous moves and gives you some tips to improve your game. The next AI-powered robot is the Hune AI Robot Arm. This robot is a dream come true for DIY enthusiasts. This robotic arm comes with an AI-powered camera and can act as an extra pair of hands. This robotic arm also comes with additional attachments. The robotic arm can help you print something with a 3D printer. It can also help you sketch and give you your morning dose of caffeine. If all those tasks were not enough, you can add more functions through its intuitive touchscreen display, which can be calibrated along with its speed, range, and flexibility. The next AI-based robot we will talk about is Clouty. This is your personal barista and bartender combined into one. The robot can provide you with all types of drinks depending on your mood and help you set the tone for the day. It can give you the cultured look you're craving when you have some foreign guests over, since chances are that these robots will know their local drinks. The arm also has extra flexibility built into it with freedom of access between 180 degrees to 270 degrees, and that too with super precision. Yrbo Lawn Mower is the next AI-powered robot in this list. Mowing lawns always takes a toll on your back. With the Yrbo lawnmower, you do not have to worry about these backaches anymore. The Yrbo lawnmower is not only a lawnmower, but also a leaf blower and snow blower. The best thing about this robot is that it does not need to be given instructions, as it can navigate itself through a complex algorithm which maps out the surroundings and tracks the environment. You can control the wind, speed, and direction of each operation. In addition, the robot can automatically dock itself at its charging station once the battery reaches 5%. Suntory Lighter Robot is the last AI robot on this list. This robot is extremely helpful to artists who want to use water as a canvas. The robot has a syringe mechanism which controls the flow rate and the positioning of the brush too. All you have to do is draw a design on the tablet, and the robot repeats the pattern on the water in less than a minute. The most interesting thing is that the ink does not lose its structure, and you can use several colors too. The ingredients used are also safe for the body. Lighter can also be used for a lot of applications, including anniversaries and birthdays. That takes us to the end of this video. Please give it a like if you found the video informative. Thank you very much and stay tuned for more content.